Alright people, so this is the finished look. So this unit was sent to me from YSwigs.com. So this unit is 22 inches long. It is a 360 lace front wig. Now I believe this is about like loose wave texture and natural wave texture. I'm not really sure, but I'll leave all the specs down below, including the price. Now this unit is super pretty, guys. Basically what I decided to do is just do like a meltdown with this unit. So I basically did the got-to-be glue just a little bit around the perimeter to glue this one down. Now with this one, the lace, I'm not sure if this is a Swiss lace, but the lace on this is super duper soft. It's super duper transparent as well too. So once I put the glue down, it kind of ate up the lace kind of just ate the glue up and kind of really blended and melted really nicely. So I didn't go in and do any baby hair magic or anything, because once I applied the wig down, I really didn't have to do any of that. It was already flawless to begin with. So what I decided to do is just do a meltdown with no baby hair magic. I just basically glue the unit down and let the hair fold into its own natural pattern of the lace. And that's another thing I want to point out about this company. Their cap construction and their perimeter kind of lining is perfect. They kind of sculpted in like a nice kind of looped kind of sculpted way, so therefore it looks natural no matter what. And even when I got the unit ahead of time before, it already had like formations of baby hair, like ringlets, which is perfect, because when a wig comes like that, it's so easy to customize and cut it instead of having like those straight hairs coming out of a curly wig and you're kind of figuring out how I'm going to get this wig to these baby hairs to fold through. So that's one thing I want to point out about this unit. Now what I did do is I showed you guys that I decided to wet this unit up. So this unit did come this nice package curl, which was dope, but obviously that curl pattern is also kind of like machine pressed that way. So this is what the natural wave looks like after I wet it. So I did go in and add my Cantu, I don't even have it right here. I added my Cantu leave-in conditioner with some water in the mixed bottle, and I just sprayed my entire hair with that. Now the reason why the hair looks this freaking good, guys, is because I let it air dry. I tell you guys all the time, when you guys are wearing curly hair and you want to wet it and kind of get that natural kind of look, that natural kind of style, the best thing to do is air dry and to not touch it. I got asked a question about how to keep your hair like not frizzy. Well, the issue is if you're the type of person that likes to put your hand in your hair, the hair's gonna get frizzy. So stop touching your hair, guys. Just let it air dry. I let this air dry for about an hour, and this is pretty much 95% air dry. There's some parts in the middle here that are a little bit slightly damp, but nothing too crazy. It's pretty much dry, to be honest with you guys. I did go in with a little bit of tea tree oil and just put some tea tree oil in the hair, just kind of bring a little bit of shine and luster to it. But overall, I think this looks really, really pretty. Definitely a springtime and summertime unit. It's lightweight. I would say this is about, let's see, I'm gonna guess now. I did turn around. I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. It's a big density. So I would say this is about like 180% density. I'm not gonna go all the way to 200%, so don't quote on me. But I think this is about 180% density, which is excellent. It looks great. I don't see any gaps in the back, which is another thing you gotta check when you're wearing your wigs to make sure the density is correct. So I don't see any gaps in the back, so I'm assuming that this is a perfect density and a fabulous freaking look, people. Alright, people, so that basically wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's hair tutorial. I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from YSwigs.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye!